Children, in this chapter, I'm going to discuss statistics. Statistics means same, just data handling. Okay, so what do you mean by statistics? What is data? What is variable? What do you mean by tally mark? Okay, then what do you mean by frequency? How to do the frequency distribution in the table, discrete and continuous, and then bar graph and histogram. In this chapter, we are going to cover. So watch this video till end. Few points are there. What do you mean by statistics? A branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of data. Fact and information collected with a different purpose is known as data. These are the important points I am discussing. A quantity which being a measured in an experiment is called variable. And what do you mean by variable? So variable means a quantity which is two time written, which is being measured in an experiment is called variable. The difference between the maximum and minimum value of a variable is called range. Okay, a particular value of a variable is called observation or variate. The number of times of a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. Mean means just arithmetic average. Means sum of observation by number of observations. Suppose one number is given 1, 2, 3. We can easily find out the mean. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is sum of observation. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3. So divided by 3. We can easily find out 6 by 3, that is 2. This is the mean of the given data. Median means what? Central value. See this question, central value. Here this data is already arranged, so the central value, this one is known as median. This one is known as median. So we can write the central value of a statistical data by arranging ascending or descending order. So if odd, n plus 1 by 2. If even, so n by 2 observation, and n by 2, n by means nth by 2 observation plus 1, that is by divided by 2. Means suppose even number 1, 2, 3, 4. This data is given even number and this is already ascending. So these two medians, this two middle number we have to add. 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means our median will be 2.5. Other than that, we have to discuss in the within the question. Means what do you mean by class mark? Okay, width of the data, and how to means arrange the data in frequency distribution, everything. So means a table showing the frequency of a various observation is called frequency distribution. These are the part along with the bar graph and histogram. So please see how I'm solving the questions. Exercise 20.1, it is first question, it is given. Find the mean of 8, 6, 10, 12, 1, 3, 4, 4. So here, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our n equal to what? 8. So mean we have to find out just like average. So given numbers are 8, 6, 10, 12, 1, 3, 4, 4. So add this one, and number of observations is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after adding, it will come 48 by 8 equal to 6. This is our mean. Therefore mean equal to 6. See, one question it is given. A student scored the following marks in 11 question of a question paper. The marks are given 7341, 5822, 576. First of all, we have to arrange this number in ascending or descending order. So after given number, I have arranged in a ascending order. Now see, we can see our observation means what? N equal to 11. So therefore median equal to what? Median equal to n, because the data is what? Odd. So n plus 1 by 2 means 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 12 by 2 equal to 6. Our sixth observation equal to what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 5. So median equal to 5. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question of 14. Calculate the mean and median of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 3, 0, 5, 1, 1, 3, 2. Okay, first of all we have to arrange the data ascending or descending. So I am arranging the data first. So by the arranging of the data I can see I have arranged the data, and now see the number n equal to 10. So first of all we have to find out mean. So mean means what? Therefore mean means sum of the observation. First of all we have to write sum of the observation means, so I have written, and there sum will be 24 by 10. Therefore mean will be what? 2.4. This is our mean. Now median. What you have to do? We have to find out the median. So median means what? As we know, this is our what? Even number. This number is even. Okay, 10 is even number, so I have to write median equal to what? 10th observation. Okay, means 10th by 2 plus 10th exam means observation by 2 plus 1. Okay, 1 term divided by 2. So it will come what? 5th observation. 5th plus 6th observation by 2. What is our 5th observation? 1 2 3 4 5 means 2. It will come 2, and 5th observation will come what? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 means 2 plus 3 by 2. It will be 2.5. This is our median when our data is given in the form of even. Write down please. Question number 6. The marks obtained out of 50 students by 40 out of 50. Means our maximum marks is 40, and how many students are there? 40. So tests are given below: 28, 31, 45, 3, 5, 18, 35, 46, 49, 17, 10, 28, 31, 36, 40, 44, 47, 13, 19, 25, 24, 31, 38, 32, 27, 19, 25, 28, 48, 15, 18, 31, 37, 46, 6, 1, 20, 10, 45, 2. So first of all, according to the question, it is asking, taking the class interval 1 to 10, 11 to 20, construct a tally chart and frequency distribution table. Number 2, convert the above distribution to continuous distribution. State the true class limit of the third class. Okay, and number 4, state the class mark of the fourth. Means within the one question we can get many things. So first of all we have to make a what? Tally chart and frequency distribution. Preparing this tally chart and frequency distribution. Remember, this is not continuous data. So okay, this class is not continuous. So 1 to 10, then see, it is 11, starting with 11. Now it is finishing 20, but it is starting 21. This is not continuous. So 1 to 10, how many numbers are there? It is, I have already taken out the data, 7. 1 2 3 4, this is 5 6 7. So 7 is frequency, and this is tally mark. In short form I can write TM. Okay, now 11 to 20, how many? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 means 8. Okay, now 21 to 30, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 are there. 31 to 40, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 means 10. 10 are there. 41 to 50, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. So this is 8. This is our tally chart and frequency distribution. Now, whatever the above chart has I have taken out, this chart we have to convert in the continuous. So what is the rule? So we have to rule is subtract 0.5 from lower limit, add 0.5 in upper limit. It means that when we this is called adjustment of factor, means adjustment of factor all the lower limit and add the adjustment of factor to all upper limits, means 0.5 we have to add in subtract from lower limit, add in upper limit. Okay, this is known as adjustment of data or adjustment factor. Means adjustment factor equal to what? Lower limit of one class minus upper limit of previous class. Yes, this is lower limit of one class, that is what? 11, and upper limit of previous class, that is 10, means 10 minus 11 minus 10 by 2, means 11 minus 10 means this is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So that's why we are subtracting 0.5 from lower limit and adding 0.5 in upper limit. Now see how I am doing. Now see, after adjustment 0.5 to 10.5, how many numbers is coming? Same it will come, but we have to say previous one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3, this is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2, this is 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 means 10. Okay, and 40.5 to 50.5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 means 8 has come. Okay, this is our converting table after means continuous distribution by adjusting. Now question number 3, the true class limit of the third class. True class limit means what is our true class limit? This is our true class limit, this one, true class limit. Okay, so number 3, true class limit third class means 1 2 3, that is what? Means third class equal to what? It will come lower limit LM, lower limit will come 20.5 and upper limit UL, upper limit will come 30.5. Okay, number 4th question is asking state the class mark of the fourth class. So fourth class mark is coming what? So it is not asking the, so fourth class marks here only, fourth class marks is what? 31. So the class mark of fourth class, we have to add upper limit plus lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, it will come. So that is 31 plus 40 by 2 equal to 71 by 2, that is 35.5. 35.5. Write down please. I have to show one bar graph, one histogram. Please see, it is given question number 1, the area under wheat cultivation last year in the following states correct to the nearest lakhs hectares was. State is given Punjab 222 cultivated area, Haryana 120 cultivated area, UP 100, MP 40, Maharashtra 80, Rajasthan 30. So represent the above information by bar graph. So first of all, I am showing here in the plain board, but you have to draw same thing in your graph paper. So this is your what? I am taking the scale y-axis, this is x-axis. In y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 40. 40. So as we know, in the bar graph, means in the graph paper you will see this is known as 1 centimeter. That is, I am showing you. Wait. See, in your graph paper you have to see this 1 unit. You can take, depends on your what size of the graph requirement, the question. So 1 unit means I am taking 1 unit, means in y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 40. So 40. So Punjab 220, here 220 is there. 220. This is Punjab. Okay. Then Haryana 120. 120. Okay. Haryana. UP 100. 100 is lying here only. So 100 UP. Then MP 40. Then Maharashtra 80. Then Rajasthan 30. So 30 it will come in between 20 and 40. 20 and 40. This is Rajasthan. This is your bar graph. Okay. Write down please. Question number 6. Draw a histogram to represent the following data. Marks obtained 0 to 10. Number of students is 4. 10 to 20, 10. 20 to 30, 6. 30 to 40, 8. 40 to 50, 5. 50 to 60, 9. Remember, this is continuous distribution table. So we have to, first of all, we have to draw in the bar graph in this way. Now 0 to 10. 0 to 10, how many are there? 4. So 4 is here. So 4. Once again I am telling you, this is continuous frequency distribution. So 10. Now 10 to 20. 10 to 20, how many are there? 10. So 10. Okay. 20 to 30, 6. Okay. 30 to 40, it is given 8. 30 to 48, so 8 is here. Okay. 40 to 50, 5. 50 to 60, 9. So 9 is here. Okay. So this is our required histogram. We have to write x-axis. What? X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10, and here y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 only. Write down please. No, wait. 1 centimeter equal to 1 we have taken. So it should be 1. 1 centimeter equal to 1. Write down please. Watching this video, please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.